makahinga eh. Paano kaya magkaunawa ng insig? Idunggoy mo na lang. Tan, I commented on your channel. Ayan, Tan, pumunta na doon sa channel mo. Silly Mau, did you eat, do you want to eat banana? This is my dinner. Kaya na naman doon kita sinakaintindi sa ginhambal siya ni. Noon daw eh. Hambal gani niya, taga ano siya, taga Brazil. Silly Mau, thank you so much ha. Thank you so much. Yes, banana. Not like that. This is a different, ano ba? Ano sasabihin ko, Tantan? Sabang banana ito, saba. Ano nga, Tantan, i-translate mo. I will need to leave. I was happy to talk to you. Goodbye. Thank you so much, si Limau. Thank you for, for your support. Thank you so much. I will visit you. I already visit your house, your channel. Thank you. Tans, goodbye. JLC, goodbye. See you in my next live, Sil Limau. Hope you enjoy in my live stream. Wow. Pinabuang na ako ni salita nito. Ayan, Rubis, goodbye. Ciao, obrigadisma. Ano? Ciao, obrigadisma, amigo Zilimao. Thank you so much, Zilimao, for your present. Hope you enjoy. Dios ti abi, ano daw? Diyos ti abin ko Zilimao. Parang si ano to JCB, you are very cool. Thank you so much. Visit my channel. Okay. I will. Thanks, my friend. Thank you also, my friend. Stay connected and take care. Wow. May pa-ticker pa ako no. Thank you, thank you. Saan ka na? Saan ka na, Tantan? Abin Koy. Be safe. Take care and be safe, Limau. See you in my next live. Nawala na si Tantan. So makituloy lalamunan ko sa'yo. Ang hirap pala magkaroon ng visitor, no? Visitor na di natin maintindihan yung